Do you want to bake cookies with me?
Yes, Grandma. I love cookies.
First, we need some flour.
Here is the flour.
Great! Now we need some sugar.
I've got the sugar, Grandma.
Thank you. We also need some butter.
Here is the butter.
Wonderful! Now we need some eggs. And let's add some chocolate chips.
Yay! I love chocolate chips.
Now, let's mix them all together. Then, we bake the cookies in the oven.
The cookies smell so good.
Now we can eat them together.